starting to take the head to bits, and I have to say it's pretty shocking in here. There's lots of dirt and there's absolutely no lubricant on anything. It's as dry as a bone. I say everything's completely dry and covered in a horrible brown sort of dust. This is rubbish. The flat hasn't been drilled at the right angle. So look, the thing will never close properly. That should be at right angles to that. That's going to need to be replaced. Well, the news doesn't get any better. There's overspray everywhere. And they've just used looks like a couple of gash bits of rubber, overspray over that just to make the case fit. You know, there's labels being peeled off. I'm not even sure that this is a new machine. It looks like something that's been returned and just tarted up. You know, down here, that's previous paint that's just been painted over. Not a happy bunny. I'm sure everything can be fixed, but I really shouldn't have to. Taking the front off, there's a pile of washers that need to go in there to pack that out at the right distance when I reassemble it. Paint overspray. What the f is that all about? The head is off. Just lowered it onto some blocks and then wound out the cross slide so that it took all the weight. I haven't lifted anything. All the weight is supported on the table. That worked relatively easily. Just got to get someone to lift it off.